Manipur Police arrested 3 cadres of the band outfits Kanglai, Yawol, Kanla, Loop from the Changangai Uchekons of the Imphal West district on August 25. The arrested person has been identified as Wainam Milan Singh, aged 52 years, Yumnam Ranbir Singh, aged 51 years, and Khaidem Dhanabir Meitei, aged 24 years. They are reportedly involved in extortion activities throughout the Imphal area. Recovered from the arrests were 4 mobile handsets, 2 Aadhaar cards, 2 driving license, 2 PAN cards, 1 voter ID, 3 wallets, a total cash of rupees 9,125 and 4 vehicles. In another incident, police arrested 5 persons in connections with a firing incident at the Kautruk in Imphal West district on 24 August. The arrested persons have been identified as the Krambam Binit alias Amar Meitei 19, Longjam Momocha alias Visal Meitei 34, Tokchom Loya Sana alias Yaifabat 41, Wangkem Dilip Meitei 45 and Ningthausams Ibomcha Meitei 40. Legal procedures against the accused are currently initiated.